Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rollerblades for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Roller Derby Tracer Adjustable Inline Skates. The best part of the Roller Derby Tracer inline skates is that they adjust to kids' fast-growing feet. The small size will adjust from size 12 J1, and the medium size will adjust from size 2 to 5. The boot liner and tongue are padded and keep kids' feet super comfy, while the boot itself supports feet and ankles. The urethane wheels with 608 zettabytes carbon bearings will provide a smooth ride and are durable enough to use these skates outside, though they will work great on indoor surfaces too. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Blade Runner Phoenix Skate. This is not a toy. For kids with a little experience who want a good inline skate, the Blade Runner Phoenix is a great choice. The ABEC 3-bearing and 72mm urethane wheels are durable and give the wearer a smooth ride. Available in 3 adjustable sizes, J11-1, 1-4, and 5-8, these skates are durable enough to outlast your kids' growing feet. The lightweight but durable frame with a high cuff provides the support kids need without weighing them down. The Blade Runner Phoenix has laces, a ratchet buckle, and a Velcro strap for a secure fit. Not only are they supportive, but they are also comfy too, thanks to the padded boot liner. At number 3, we have the Rollerblade Spitfire XT Girls Adjustable Fitness Inline Skate. The SG3 bearings in the Spitfire inline skates provide a pretty smooth ride, but more importantly, for beginners, the bearings allow kids to have better control of their speed. So while kids won't be zooming around super fast in these skates, they'll get speed plus control, which makes these skates great for beginner to intermediate skaters. The laces, Velcro strap, and ratchet buckle, as well as the low balance frame, keep kids' feet secure and stable. These inline skates are also lightweight, so kids won't feel weighed down by them, and they come in 3 adjustable sizes, Junior 11-1, Youth 2-5, and Youth 5-8. Adjustable sizing means your kids will get plenty of use out of them, and you'll get more bang for your buck. At number 2, we have the K2 Skateboys Raider. For beginner to intermediate skaters, the K2 Raider Skates has an FBI frame that can absorb shock when used outdoors, and a high stability plus cuff that works with the FBI frame to provide the stability beginner skaters need, indoors or outdoors. These skates are adjustable and can be switched up to 5 sizes. These skates have a traditional lacing system with a ratchet buckle and Velcro straps to provide a secure fit. The 70mm wheels have ABEC 3 bearings for a pretty smooth ride, and the entire skate is durable, which means they'll be passing these down to their younger siblings. And finally, at number 1, we have the Chicago Girls Training Roller Skate Combo. For the extra small skaters who may need a little help transitioning to inline skates, the Chicago Training Skates convert from trainer skates to inline skates when they are ready to make the jump. Another skate with adjustable sizing for kids' growing feet, it comes in 2 sizes, J10, J13, and 1-4. These skates are a great value too, since it comes as part of a bundle that includes the skates, a helmet, wrist guards, and knee pads, as well as a backpack in which everything fits. The one complaint with these skates is their durability. They aren't great for skaters who plan on using them frequently. We thought the plastic is flimsy compared to the other skates on this list, but they do make the transition from roller skates to blades a little easier. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.